Welcome to my studio. Hey, what's up? So hey guys, this is me, it's Christina. It's Capricciosa, in English, Capricious. I've been trying to fix my office, my studio. I bought this camera because it was on sale. It was like $250, and I thought anything that is big camera was good. It's like you're one of those professional photographers. So the problem with this camera, you can't flip them. It's just like this. And I actually bought a case for that, so I love this case. Welcome to the wild. Actually, it's not wild. Not full wild.
It is wild.
Okay.
This is McGowan Falls at Durham, Ontario. As we go towards the river. Oh, I don't think that's allowed. You gotta swim over there.
Show it.
Be careful.
Look at this rocks.
Yeah. Well, this is part of the Niagara Escarpment, so it's rocky.
it's okay. Yeah, we have a selfie. Ready? Ready?